This seems pretty crazy, but we're having another spicy pepper review up here at Camp Crawdad, so this is like version 2. Today, we have the notorious banana pepper. The reason we're doing this is because Evan, he's the grower, the guy who started this all. Seed to plant to pepper. So we're gonna try this bad boy for him. He's gonna sit in with that one, and then the second pepper we're gonna try, let me say small pieces of, was supposed to be a Gator Jigsaw, but look at that thing. It is gnarly, and it is brown, like the Browninator, but we don't know what it is. All right, so let's get to this. Oh yeah, shout out to James Cozart, Platte River Cutlery. Oh, let me show you this side. Beautiful custom knives. He lets you pick out the materials from the handle to the cordage, blade material, whatever you want, he'll do it. And he does a damn good job, and it's razor sharp. All right.
Yeah.
So let's cut up this pepper.
So good.
I want to say it's like a third or something.
Go, Evan.
Wait till everybody gets it, Evan.
Piece of banana pepper. Right, guy? Ryanator. I know. All right. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
Pepper cheers.
No,
Yeah, pepper cheers.
Pepper.
Good job, Evan. Nice grow, buddy. You did a great job.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Can I taste like a green bell pepper? First time.
Yeah, but green's kind of bitter.
Super juicy.
Mm-hmm.
Nice thick wall. Kind of green peppery, but not quite as strong as a green pepper. It's like got a nice.
More like a yellow pepper without the juiciness.
Yeah. Very little heat, if any at all. What do you think? Is there any spice in there for you? No? You're not burning your face off?
Nope.
All right. I think that was a good test. I think
Good to stir fry.
I think Grandpa should have been on this one.
Yeah.
Grandpa.
Whoa, Grandpa. Grandpa.
All right. So let's cut into this bad boy that we don't know what it is. When we know it's gonna have some heat. I'm actually afraid of this one.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
Ugh. See, the stem doesn't even want to come out of it. It's so dang hot. Look at that thing. Ugh.
I'm not afraid.
So I think we're gonna do a quarter and thirds. Ugh.
Can you give me a
Oh, look at that. Look at it in there.
Ew. Oh.
That looks like
Danger, Will
capsaicin
Robinson.
droplets.
danger?
I think it's gonna
capsaicin.
bring some pain, and it's got a little baby pepper in it too.
Really? What?
Like right there, I just cut through it.
Pepper heart.
You look like this.
That is so disgustingly juicy in there.
So disgustingly juicy, she says.
Look at all that placenta.
Yeah, as Casey would say, placento. All right, so we got these 3 pieces.
I'm afraid
Oh,
of even taking that.
It smells hot.
Wait, I want to sniff. Wait, can I sniff? I want to sniff.
Well, here, you hold the knife yourself, but it's very sharp, so be careful.
I want to sniff.
Oh no, I'll sniff it when I eat it.
Okay, so Ryan, which piece would you like of these 3 pieces?
I'm afraid to even take this.
What about the
one.
little tiny piece that's falling off of the one
No.
to start with for him?
Come on,
No?
Ryan, one of those 3.
I'll take the middle, even though I know I'm gonna probably die.
I'll take the piece with the heart in the middle.
You're smart, because this one is got big fat placenta on both sides. All right, so here, you can
bark.
get the outside of that, so you see how it's like N, and then on the inside,
Smells like.
Bark, it's
Oh,
got
yeah.
bark.
cheers. Cheers. Make sure you wash your hands, gents. But yeah, it smells like it's gonna be floral maybe. Oh, Jason's in.
I mean,
It smells, yeah, maybe floral.
ooh, we'll hit right away. Oh,
Yeah, a little floral.
Definitely floral. Ooh. Earthy. A little bit of greenness too, though.
Yeah, kind of green, earthy.
So far,
I think I got the hotter one.
I can tell it's gonna get hot. It's gonna climb.
Oh no, mine's already climbing. It's burning me.
It's got a wangy hot to it.
Wangy hot.
I made mine wet. I made that. Mine wet.
I gotta say, not my favorite tasting pepper.
No.
Very floral, very green,
Like
but
the
very
banana
hot,
pepper
and
better.
I can tell it's just gonna
I
keep
think I have burning tears actually.
burning tears. Oh yeah, it's getting hotter.
This
Oh,
one's more hot on the back of the throat.
Yeah.
tongue.
Side of tongue, back and throat, mouth.
Ear.
Yep.
Like the
Oh.
coal in the back of your throat.
Oh, that's worse than the 7-pot. Oh.
Is it? It's climbing.
Warm.
Yeah. It's very hot.
Donkey kicks?
Well, we gotta give it a couple more seconds
Yeah.
because it's
Hasn't fully kicked in yet.
I'm gonna eat the last bite.
no.
No, Evan.
If you want some of your banana, you want me to cut you another piece of this? Okay.
That's gonna have oil on it.
I got another knife.
Yeah, tongue in the back of the throat.
Tongue and ear.
Oh man.
My
It's
ear.
hot on the tongue.
Yeah. And it's still getting hotter. It's not anywhere near its peak.
Mine
yeah.
finally peaked, maybe a little bit.
Yep, now it comes
Starting to
with
get some
spice.
high water going
Oh,
on.
now it's coming with spice.
Well, it might have been on my knife because I did cut it.
You
up
could
a couple
smell
there.
it.
No. If you put seeds in there and you eat it, it tastes like spiciness. I mean,
It's warm.
Are you okay, Ryan?
No. To admit, no. It is
Alright.
way hot.
Get a close up of my eyes. You see the water, the tears? Yeah, the tears are coming. It's hot.
And banana pepper, not so much.
All right.
Heck, it's spicy. I can't.
I might get the hot
spice.
tears, maybe.
I do have the hot tears for the first time.
I can say that's probably the hottest pot I've ate this year.
Sam,
It's getting my lips now.
It's coming up.
it's all in my ear now. Like, I have a little bit on my tongue, but like it's in my ear.
I don't usually get ears, but I can pepper Wolverine. I'm kind of getting what you're saying about the ears. It's starting to attack my
I
ears.
can feel on my tongue bone.
Oh, yeah.
Text yours.
Yeah, Mama, my bone, I felt the
I'm
seed.
glad I didn't eat the whole thing.
Yeah, or how about half?
Even a half. I'm glad I didn't eat the half.
My
All right, I think we're in at 7 minutes and 40 seconds. All right, so I guess we should do some donkey kicks, right?
9.
You're a 9? Yeah. I'm with you, like an 8, 9. It's like right in the back of my
I'll
throat.
give it an 8.
Yeah.
3.5, dude. It's like right in between.
8.5? Okay, that works. But it's hot. It's up there.
So that's a pretty good consensus on donkey kicks there.
All right.
Evan, did you want to give your banana pepper donkey kicks?
6.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Anyway, that was another fun one. Love being up here at Camp Crawdad. Thanks, Janice and Paul, the people that own this place and let us hang out. So, yeah, we'll see y'all on the next one.
It's Ribbits and Ryanator. And yeah.
The Browninator.
Any
Maybe we should name this the Browninator Pod. All right. Anyway, good seeing you. See you on the next one.
See you
All right.
next time.
Browninator out.
That's good. Kill it.
Go, Bart, stop.